Hello, hello! Today we are unwrapping the 10th principle of the Agile Manifesto, a gem that encapsulates the essence of efficiency. Simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. In this video, we will explore the beauty of simplicity in software development, why it matters, and provide a practical example of how to implement this principle. To understand simplicity, we must embrace the agile mindset, valuing individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Simplicity aligns with agile emphasis on working solutions rather than documentation. It's about cutting through complexity and focusing on what truly delivers value. Let's dive into a practical example: user stories. User stories are a fundamental agile technique representing a simple yet powerful way to express requirements. By breaking down complex features into smaller, manageable, and deliverable stories, we embrace the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, as we can release new functionality independently. In user stories implementation, we prioritize stories based on customer value. This ensures that the most critical aspects are addressed first, leading to a more focused and efficient development process. The flowchart illustrates how simplicity guides us through a streamlined and effective journey. The benefits of simplicity in software development are profound. Reduced complexity leads to easier maintenance, and faster adaptation to changes in requirements becomes a reality. As we simplify, we unlock agility and set the stage for a more responsive and adaptive development environment. Simplicity isn't just a concept, it's a guiding force. By implementing simplicity, projects become more manageable and teams become more adaptable. Less becomes more, and the results speak for themselves in the world of software development. In conclusion, the 10th Agile principle reminds us that simplicity is an essential ingredient in the recipe for success. It's not about cutting corners, it's about being efficient and effective. Simplicity maximizes the amount of meaningful work we accomplish. I hope this exploration has shed light on the beauty and power of simplicity in Agile development. See ya!